Welcome to Recipes and More. Today I am going to share with you a special recipe for kids, corn and cheese bread rolls. I have taken a few slices of bread and I have trimmed the edges. Now each slice I will be flattening it with a rolling pin. Now this is ready for the filling. I have taken 1 cup of boiled corn, sweet corn, to which salt has already been added. I will be adding some tomato sauce to it. In addition, I have taken some grated cheese. Whatever cheese you prefer, you can use. Some chili flakes and some minced garlic. Now I will mix all the ingredients together and our filling will be ready. On one half of the slice I have placed the filling. I will apply some water on the edges. Very little water on the edges. And now I will fold the other half and seal the edges. This way, one roll is ready. Similarly, I'll prepare the rest of the rolls. I'm going to shallow fry the rolls on a cast iron tawa with some oil, and it will be done on medium flame. If you prefer, you can also deep fry the rolls. I will be cooking this on medium heat till the bottom of the rolls are nicely brown. Then I will pour some oil on top of it and flip the rolls. As I said, if you want, you can deep fry these rolls. If you are preparing it for kids, it is totally fine. But if you want to consume lesser oil, prepare it this way. These bread rolls are very crispy on the outside and it will be cheesy inside. Enjoy this recipe. Thank you.